Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a personal finance app with YNAB easy tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy a personal finance app using YNAB, you first need to create a YNAB account. Visit the YNAB website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in to the YNAB dashboard. Next, you'll need to click on the Create a New Budget button. Follow the prompts to set up your budget categories. Enter your income and expenses to get started. Make sure to organize your categories based on your financial goals. After your budget is set up, explore the features available. Utilize the goal setting feature to plan for your financial future. Consider linking your bank accounts for easier tracking. This will automate the transaction import process. To ensure accuracy, manually enter any transactions that are missing. Regularly review your spending and adjust categories as needed. Now, let's dive into visualizing your financial progress. Explore reports and graphs available within YNAB. This will help you understand your spending habits. Once you are comfortable with the budget, consider sharing it with a financial advisor. This can provide additional insights and guidance. Make it a habit to review your budget weekly. Stay committed to your financial goals by keeping the budget updated. Lastly, take advantage of YNAB's educational resources and community for support. By following these steps, you will effectively deploy your personal finance app with YNAB. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.